This is my backyard. What a green, relaxing backyard. No, what a relaxing green backyard. And this is my dog. What a friendly, lovely dog. No, what a lovely, friendly dog. All these sentences have two adjectives. These two are correct and these two are not. Can you tell me why? Hello and welcome back to another English lesson with me, Cara, at Number One Institute. In today's lesson, I'm going to help you sound more like a native English speaker when you are using two or more adjectives to describe a noun. Before we start, please don't forget to subscribe so that you don't miss any of my future lessons. I teach grammar like today, but also reading, writing, listening, speaking, pronunciation. So today's lesson is all about adjectives. In many sentences, we use two adjectives to describe a noun. Often we use three. We can use more than that, but it's not very common. What is really important though is the order of the adjectives. You can't just choose any two or three adjectives and put them in any order you like. There are rules, grammar rules, about the order of adjectives. There are different categories of adjectives, so different types of adjectives. So for example, big and beautiful are both adjectives. Big is an adjective for size, and beautiful is an adjective of opinion, because I might think something is beautiful, but you might think the same thing is ugly. So it's an adjective of opinion. Alright, so here are all the categories: opinion, size, age, shape, color, origin, material, and purpose. When you have more than one adjective to describe the same noun, you need to list them in this order. So remember the sentence we had at the beginning. What a green, relaxing backyard. Well, green is a color, and relaxing, well, that's my opinion. So green, relaxing backyard is in the wrong order. So I should have said a relaxing green backyard. Opinion and then color. Now let's look at some more examples of the types of adjectives that go in each of these categories. Opinion, we have lovely, beautiful and relaxing. Size, big, small, huge. Age, old, new, young. Shape, round, square, long. Color, green, blue, dark. Origin, so where it's from. Australian, Brazilian, Chinese. Material, wooden, silk, cotton. Purpose, work, like a work phone or a work car. shopping, shopping cart, shopping trolley, shopping bag. Alright, now let's make some sentences together. Here's a house. Think of some adjectives to describe this house. You could use brick, new, and large. Brick is a material, new is the age, and large is the size. So if we look at that order of adjectives, first is size, then age, then material. So the correct sentence is, this is a large new brick house. Can you make a different sentence about this house? Think of some adjectives to describe this dress. You could use white, which is a color, wedding, which is the purpose, and glamorous, which is my opinion. So if we check the order, first is opinion, then color, then purpose. So the correct sentence is, this is a glamorous white wedding dress. I'd love to hear your sentences, so please write your own sentences about the house or the dress in the comments below. Okay, so that's almost everything there is to know about this grammar rule, but not quite. Let's go back to my dog, my lovely, friendly dog. Both these adjectives, lovely and friendly, are opinion adjectives. They're what I think about my dog. But we can actually split opinion into two more categories: general opinion and specific opinion. Some adjectives give a general opinion, and these adjectives can describe almost any noun. Good, bad, lovely, strange, nice, beautiful, wonderful, important, nasty, excellent. For example, he is a wonderful teacher and this is a wonderful book. So we can describe teachers and books and dogs. She is a wonderful dog. Now the other type of opinion is the specific opinion. We only use these adjectives to describe a specific type of noun. For example, food, furniture and buildings, and then people and animals. So for food, delicious and tasty. For furniture and buildings, comfortable, uncomfortable. And people and animals, clever, intelligent, and friendly. So we can't have friendly food or comfortable food, only delicious food. And we can't have a delicious teacher or a tasty teacher. These are just for food. So we can use two opinion adjectives in the same sentence to describe the same noun. We usually put the general opinion before the specific opinion. So a wonderful, friendly dog, an awful, uncomfortable chair. Alright, so feel free to give me your opinion on this lesson. by writing a sentence in the comments below. If you liked this lesson on adjectives, you will probably also like another lesson I did on comparative adjectives. So I'll link it here for you. Of course, don't forget to subscribe, to put a like, and I'll see you next Sunday for another lesson. Thank you very much for watching. Alright, bye.